Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In our video here, we're going to take a look at the larynx and trachea along with bronchi. If we go ahead and we start with the larynx, well, let's find the trachea first. Here we have the trachea. We can see the tracheal rings or tracheal cartilages. And if we move up the trachea and we find this cricoid cartilage here, from this cricoid cartilage up above, these structures are associated with the larynx. So we have the cricoid cartilage, the thyroid cartilage, we have the hyoid bone, and we have the epiglottis. If we move the other way and follow the trachea, we can follow it down and then it branches. This would be our primary bronchus, or sometimes called the main bronchus. And then it branches again, and this would be secondary bronchi, or sometimes called lobar bronchi. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take our model apart. That way we can get a sagittal view of the larynx. Now that we're looking at a sagittal view, let's get our bearings. Here we can see part of the hyoid bone. Again, everything's been cut as a sagittal cut. But here we have the hyoid bone. Here we have this flap, the epiglottis. And that is going to close over the glottis. The glottis is made up of this opening here. And then we also are going to have the vocal fold right here. And then outside that we have the vestibular fold. But the vocal fold and this opening make up the glottis, and the epiglottis will fold over the opening, and then that way we can keep food and debris, liquids out of the trachea and hopefully out of the lungs.